So what I played, and I'm going to tear it apart to show you what I was doing. So Pete Drake would always play very fundamental groupings, you know, so I decided to just do the, just as simple as you can. That's a Pete Drake-ish thing right there. The slow bend on the pedal. Okay, so that's what I did. I think Pete Drake had an instrumental on Star Day Records where he did that move on The Waltz You Saved for Me. Something like that's what he played. And then again, that's very Pete Drake. 4, 5, 4, 1. And then it goes to a 4 chord. And I play 2 minor, 3 minor, 2 minor. Now this is mine. There weren't, you know, I can't find a record before this one where this was done. Now there might have been a singular move like that, but I wanted to focus on that move, so I repeated it another group down. So now we got. Now, even though this is not John Hughey, it sounds like if I had played it like, it would be John Hughey. So anyway, so that was as close as I got to John Hughey. And this is Pete Drake. And then this was also on one of those Star Day records from Pete on a modulation. Had I exaggerated like that, that'd be more like Pete Drake.